If Google Chrome keeps opening and closing by itself, crashing instantly, or refusing to stay open, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly, even if Chrome feels totally broken. We'll go step by step, starting with the most common cause, then moving on to a profile reset, administrator mode, and a graphics-related fix. Make sure to follow each step in order, because one of them is very likely to get Chrome working again. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to close any hidden Chrome tasks that may be running in the background. Sometimes Chrome doesn't fully shut down, and those background processes can stop it from launching properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. On a Mac, open Activity Monitor instead. Once the window appears, look through the list for any Google Chrome processes. You may see several of them. Click each Chrome process you find, then choose End Task on Windows or Force Quit on Mac. This clears out anything stuck in the background and gives Chrome a fresh start. After that, try opening Google Chrome again and see if it launches normally. If Chrome is still opening and closing, the next step is to rename your Chrome profile folder. This is one of the most effective fixes because a corrupted profile is often the reason Chrome crashes immediately after opening. To do this on Windows, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Then copy and paste this exact path, %localappdata/Google/Chrome/userdata, and press Enter. A folder window should open. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Default or your main profile folder if it has a different name. Right-click that folder and choose Rename. Change the name to something like Backup Default. By renaming it, you force Chrome to create a brand new profile the next time it starts. Once that's done, launch Chrome again. If the issue is caused by a damaged profile, Chrome should now open normally. If that still doesn't fix it, the next option is to run Chrome as an administrator. Sometimes Chrome gets blocked by permissions issues, and giving it elevated access can solve the crash instantly. Find the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. This gives Chrome the system access it needs to start properly. If Chrome opens this way, then the issue may be related to permissions on your device. Finally, if Chrome is still closing right after launch, the problem may be related to hardware acceleration or a graphics driver conflict. This can happen when your graphics card drivers are glitching, or when Chrome tries to use the GPU in a way your system doesn't like. To test this, right-click your Google Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, find the Target field. It should end with something like chrome.exe. Click at the very end of the line, add one space, and then type --disable-GPU. Make sure the line looks exactly like this, chrome.exe-disable GPU. Then click Apply and use that shortcut to launch Chrome again. This tells Chrome not to use the GPU, which can stop the crashing if hardware acceleration is the problem. So to recap, the best fixes for Chrome opening and closing are end hidden Chrome tasks, rename the profile folder, run Chrome as administrator, and disable GPU acceleration through the shortcut. Try them in that order, and most of the time one of these will solve the issue fast. If this video helped you get Chrome working again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.